And what was the last one?
Child support, 1,500.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. It's from July 17th. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So this is the large boxes of cigarettes were missing from the victim's office, and they had surveillance footage showed 4 subjects enter during overnight and remove the cigarette boxes. And they identified Mr. Smith as one of the people who did that. So there's probable cause for burglary to the unoccupied structure and grand theft. You didn't give me a stay-away order?
I think I did.
I don't have it. If you did. Stay away. What is this stay away? What's the name?
The Marathon gas.
Stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there. So I think it's an unoccupied structure for count 1. That bond is $2,500. Sec. Count 2, that's probable cause for grand theft, $2,500 bond. You have a written bodily attachment and something else, I think, as well. Have a nice day. Next we have is Robert Carbalosa, page 15. You're helping today. Is Mr. Carbalosa there? Let's bring him in.
Out of charge.
Good morning, Mr. Carbalosa. Do you speak English?
Yes, Judge.
Good morning, sir. You were arrested for grand theft of a vehicle. It's from March 12th of 2025. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. Let me need a moment to review. I guess somebody recognized you from the video. Somebody you went to school with recognized you from the video and reported it. I'm just trying to see where he's identified as the person who committed this. Oh, it's there. His alias is there. I'm really looking for his alias. Was there? There's probable cause for the charge of grand theft. $2,500 bond. Have a good day. Next we have is Jamel Anderson Cash, page 16. Good morning, Mr. Anderson Cash. You were arrested for battery by a detainee on another detainee. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charge.
Victim's name, Edelson Lopez Valencia.
I'll set his bond at $1,500. Have a good day. Can I call it a turn? Razay Hamid, there's a detective here. Page 11. Is there a detective? Raise your hand so I can promote you. If not, I'm not calling the case of the officers. The detective doesn't raise their hand. I don't have time to mess about. I got a big calendar.
Your Honor, he needs a Persian interpreter.
A what interpreter? Persian? Oh, okay. We're going to be passing the case for a Persian interpreter. So hold up. Can I have my calendar, please? How about the arrest affidavits? What do you think? Do you see it in here?
I'm sorry. I thought it was more.
Got a huge calendar today. Now we have Yurigelis Davaye Betancourt. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to pass Mr. Razay. So let's start with page 1. Yurigelis Davaye Betancourt Perez.
Bond out.
Okay, that's a good way to start. Bond out. Is somebody going to call a Persian interpreter?
I called you.
I went to the wrong one.
I called the interpreter's office.
Thank you. 1 minute. Next, we have Ms. Miriam Chevets. Hello, ma'am. You were arrested for 2 counts of child neglect. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. 1 second. Give me 1 second, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you want.
Imagine this. Anyway, let me review this 1 second, please. So this is from August 21st, yesterday.
Obviously, a family in need of some services.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there's probable cause for child neglect. Ma'am, I'm going to enter I guess a modified stay-away order from the 2 children whose initials are NS and DS. You're allowed to have only supervised contact with these children, and you are prohibited from being physically threatening or violent towards them in any manner whatsoever. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs, and do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court. Do you understand the modified stay-away order? Or one other thing, in the event there's an open case in dependency court or family court arising from the same set of facts and events as this case, and any and all orders entered in family or court or dependency court regarding your contact, visitation, and custody shall supersede or replace this court's order. Do you understand, ma'am? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Okay.
As a condition of release, states requesting a passport surrender, maybe a week, maybe next week. So after she's released.
Why?
Because she talked about taking the kids to Israel and I want to make sure she doesn't leave with them.
Oh, they have extradition with them.
But still, I think within a week.
She can't go with the children without having a father's permission anyway.
Correct. And anyway, you know what a ticket to Israel costs now? She has running food in her house. You think she can afford a ticket to Israel? It's like over $1,000. Anyway, can you afford to post a bond, ma'am?
Judge, would you offer, or would you do pretrial services?
Pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Have a nice day.
2 counts?
I'm sorry, for $2,500 count 1 and $2,500 count 2. Next, we have LaQuanta Burns, page 1.
Yes, a probation warrant or bond.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Mindy S. Glazer presided over a busy first appearance docket, moving from burglary and theft to detainee disputes and even child neglect, all with her steady mix of firmness and efficiency. Mr. Smith, accused of burglary to an unoccupied structure after surveillance showed him and others taking boxes of cigarettes from a Marathon gas station. Judge Glazer confirmed probable cause, issued a stay-away order from the gas station, and set bond at $2,500. Next was Robert Carballosa, facing a grand theft auto charge after someone who knew him from school allegedly identified him on video. She appointed the public defender and set bond at $2,500. Jamal Anderson Cash followed, charged with battery by a detainee on another detainee, and his bond was set at $1,500 after a quick probable cause finding. A procedural wrinkle came with another case requiring a Persian interpreter, which Judge Glazer passed temporarily, noting she didn't have time to guess through language issues on such a large calendar. Later came Miriam Chevas, charged with 2 counts of child neglect, and here the judge slowed down. She entered a modified stay-away order. Shavas could only have supervised contact with her 2 children, with strict prohibitions against threats, physical punishment, or possession of weapons or drugs. Judge Glazer added a practical clarification. If dependency or family court orders were already in place, those would override her order. The prosecutor requested surrender of Shivas's passport, citing comments about travel to Israel, but Judge Glazer downplayed the risk of imminent travel while still setting a $2,500 bond on each count and requiring pretrial services supervision. The overall atmosphere was brisk but respectful. Defendants varied in demeanor. Smith and Carbolosa were subdued, Cash quiet, Shivas anxious, but all were heard. Judge Glazer kept the calendar moving quickly, but when children's safety was at stake, she gave the matter deliberate attention. It was a snapshot of her courtroom style, efficient with routine cases, cautious and thorough where public safety demanded it. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.